Hello everyone, my name is Raymond, a third-year Marine Engineering College student at TIMSAT College's Dagupan campus. In this video, I will present the ship requirements under the MARPOL Annexes 4, 5, and 6, focusing on their importance in prevention in marine pollution and ensuring environmental compliance. The marine environment faces serious pollution threats from ships. To combat this, the International Maritime Organization or the IMO enforces MARPOL Annexes 4, 5, and 6. Let's explore the key requirements. MARPOL Annex 4, Sewage Pollution. Annex 4 applies to the ships of 400 gross tonnage and above or certified to carry 15 persons on board. This ship must have an International Sewage Pollution Prevention or ISPP certificate issued after their inspection of sewage system. To comply, ships must have first, a sewage treatment plant meeting the IMO standards. Second, a sewage comminuting and disinfecting system. And last, a holding tank for onboard storage. Sewage discharge is allowed beyond 3 nautical miles if treated and 12 nautical miles if untreated, provided the ship is moving at a moderate speed. MARPOL Annex 5. MARPOL Annex 5 regulates garbage disposal at sea. Ships must have a garbage management plan, a garbage record book, and a garbage disposal placards placed at visible locations. Different waste types have strict disposal rules. For plastics, it is completely prohibited. For food waste, allowed 3 nautical miles if grounded and beyond 12 nautical miles if ungrounded. For cargo residues, discharge is permitted but under specific conditions. Ships must use port reception facilities to dispose of the waste responsibly. Non-compliance can result in severe penalties. MARPOL Annex 6. The MARPOL Annex 6 addressing the air pollution by setting limits on emissions from ships. A key requirement to that is the International Air Pollution Certificate or the IAPP certificate, proving compliance with the emission standards. Ships must comply with the 0.50% sulfur limit globally and 0.10% on emission control areas or ECAs like the North America and Europe. To meet those standards, ships can use scrubbers or switch to low sulfur fuels. And for the nitrogen oxide or NOx, ship must meet the Tier 1, 2, and 3, with Tier 3 being the strictest in the ECAs. The MARPOL Annexes 4, 5, and 6 ensures a sustainable shipping by reducing pollution of sewages, garbages, and air emissions. Compliance is essential for a cleaner marine environment.